Welcome to our detailed comparison of Gamma AI and Canva. Both platforms offer unique features and capabilities. We'll examine these in depth, providing you with the insights you need to make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create social media graphics, presentations, and other visual content. It's packed with features such as photo editing, font selection, drag and drop interface, and thousands of templates. Gamma AI, on the other hand, is an artificial intelligence platform that enables businesses to automate customer interactions. It features multilingual support, sentiment analysis, and natural language understanding. Canva offers free and premium plans. The free plan has limited features, while the premium plan unlocks all functionalities. Gamma AI has a more complex pricing model based on the number of interactions and languages supported. It offers custom pricing for businesses with specific needs. Canva is known for its user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to create professional designs. Gamma AI, however, requires a certain level of technical knowledge to fully exploit its capabilities. The user experience can be a bit challenging for non-technical users. Canva integrates with a range of platforms, including social media sites and cloud storage services. Gamma AI, conversely, offers integrations with business tools such as CRM systems and chat platforms. Both platforms have robust API capabilities for custom integrations. In terms of performance, Canva delivers fast rendering of designs and smooth operation. Gamma AI provides real-time analysis and responses, but its performance can be influenced by the complexity of the interactions and the server load. Both Canva and Gamma AI offer reliable customer support. Canva provides a comprehensive knowledge base and email support, while Gamma AI offers email, phone, and live chat support. In terms of scalability, Gamma AI stands out with its ability to handle a large number of interactions simultaneously. Choosing a winner depends on your specific needs. If you need a graphic design tool, Canva is the clear winner with its user-friendly interface and robust features. If you need an AI solution for customer interactions, Gamma AI is your best bet with its advanced AI features and scalability. To sum up, Canva wins in terms of user experience and features, while Gamma AI wins in terms of AI capabilities and scalability. Thank you for watching our in-depth comparison of Gamma AI and Canva. We hope this has helped you understand these platforms better. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming comparisons. Thank you and see you in the next one.